Welcome to this charming mid-century home where vintage design meets cozy comfort. Step up to the front door where a warm welcome awaits with its stylish wooden doors and lovely garden path. The living room invites you to relax with its soft, earthy tones and iconic furniture that capture the essence of a bygone era. In the kitchen, nostalgia fills the air with cheerful teal tiles and classic retro appliances. The bedroom promises peaceful nights with its vintage charm and views of the serene garden. Finally, unwind on the charming patio, embraced by nature's beauty, perfect for savoring golden sunsets.